Students, exercise 6.3, question number 1. X greater equal to 3, y greater equal to 2. For the solution of these inequalities, draw the graph of x equal to 3 and x equal to 2. Y dash, x dash and x. This is the origin O. For x equal to 3, so you take 1, 2 and 3. It is x equal to 3. Value of y may be anything. So you can go upward or downward, both the directions. Since in this inequality equal sign is involved, so we have to draw the dark line. X greater than 3, it means the value of x must be to the right side of this line. If this line is x equal to 3. Second is y greater equal to 2. The graph of the line y equal to 2 we have to draw. So y equal to 2 means we are taking 1 and 2. So y equal to 2. So we have to draw the graph of this line y equal to 2. Y is greater than 2. It means upward to this line. So upward to this line and rightward to this line. This is the solution region. Shaded region is the solution region. Shaded region is the solution region of the given inequalities. Question number 2 of this exercise. 3x plus 2y lesser equal to 12, x greater equal to 1, y greater equal to 2. To draw the graph of the equations. Which equations? 3x plus 2y equal to 12, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Here is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. For this you can prepare a table just containing 3 columns. X equal to y equal to. If we are taking x equal to 0, then y equal to 6. If we are taking y equal to 0, so then x equal to 4. Now we can draw the graph of these equations. 0, 6. So 0 means neither to right nor to left. So 0, 6, this is the point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This point is 0, 6. 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This point is representing 4, 0. Since this inequality involves equal sign, so we have to draw a dark line for this. Passing through these points, a dark line can be drawn. And this is the graph of line 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Since this line is satisfying, this inequality is satisfied by the origin 0, 0. If we are placing 0 and 0 in place of x and y, then 0 less than 12, it is satisfying. It means the solution region will be towards the origin from this line. Is that clear? Now x greater than 1. So we have to draw the graph for x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is here and this is the line which is representing x equal to 1. And x greater than 1 means the graph must be, a solution must be to the right side of the graph of x equal to 1. Y equal to 2. So y equal to 2 means 1 and 1, 2. This is the 2 and we are drawing the graph for y equal to 2. This is the graph for y equal to 2. This is the graph for x equal to 1. Y greater than 2. Greater equal to 2 means 2 or greater than 2. So it must be above this line. Right side to this line, upward to this line and below this line. It means this shaded region is the solution region for these inequalities, combined solution of these inequalities. You can write shaded region is the solution. So these two questions, question number 1 and 2 of exercise is completed now.